Here I go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, Janta. We are on the off-road section of the track, where now we're gonna have some fun. Ooh, this is cool. Alright, the Himalayan is definitely more capable than I am. This is fun. We've been warned that there's some sand up front where we're not supposed to be using our front brakes and probably gear too high. This is fun. Ooh. I don't know if I'm supposed to be like nailing it or what, but I'm just gonna go. Not gun it, obviously, but I've lost sight of them for now. Whoopsie. And it is capable of doing that. Ooh, we're getting close to a lake, some lake. But this is nice, dude. This bike basically can go anywhere. And I don't feel a thing. Like, the road is so bumpy, but like I said, I am the one who's incapable, not the bike. I don't know if these guys went down or up, but I'm going up. I don't care. I don't think they went down. Fork in the road. Where the hell are these guys? I don't know. Wherever I'm going, these guys are definitely not there. Man, this is beautiful. Not there either. Ooh. I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here, but it is what it is. Here I am. I hope I don't get lost. That's my only concern. Alright, so this was the first time, right? First track. I think we're going to do 2 laps of this, is my guess. Whoop, 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 whoop. And there's the sand. There's the trees. Am I supposed to be here? I don't know. Let's see. We'll find out soon. Enough, I guess. Alright, sandy path. Here I go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Totally misjudged that. This is scary. Well, not scary, but this is exciting. Honestly, a lot of testosterone, but needs some focus. Yes! not of adrenaline, not testosterone. But man, this bike is so capable. I am definitely not yet. Right, never say never. These guys seem to have had a slip here. Alright, go. Where am I going? Go. Alright, this is more stones and rocks now. Not as much sand, so we should be better off, I guess. Those guys are gunning it, man. I am not. Sorry, I won't be able to. Ooh. And I think we are on the road again. I'm guessing we are. This is your dial, buddy. This is where I like to be. There they are. Are we going this way? Let's see. Alright. Hasta la vista, baby. This is our photo. This is where we like to be. Alright, back on track. Alright, round 2. Here we go. Round 2 of the same track now, guys. Hopefully this time around I'm a little quicker. And there we are. Actually gunning it, man. You can gun it. Wow, okay. I don't think I can gun it though. Because the problem is, if I lose traction, I am not in a position to recover the bike. That's what I'm scared of. Like, see, the bike is going where I want it to go, but I am not. Right? My head is not. The one thing that they say, which I'm going to try and follow a little bit, is you basically see where you're going, or see where you want to go basically, and just keep going. Right? But now that rock hit the underbelly. Ooh. This time around, definitely quicker. But still holding him back, I guess. So this time I'm in the middle, so they have to wait for me. The one thing I have to give kudos to is though, it doesn't tip. as easily. Even though I am not riding it properly, the bike continues to stay in shape. Ooh, that hurt. My leg, not the bike. Got caught on a plant. Woo. Now reach the shrubs. Oh, come on, plants. Why do you have to grow so much? Now we're at the sandbank again. This time it's only going to be first gear. Second gear? It's giving me the confidence too. Same spot, huh? Yeah, same spot. This is where I'd gone off. Alright. That was close. Didn't let it stall, guys. Didn't let it stall. He got close but didn't stall. Traction. Where the fuck is traction? It may be starting to rain, so we probably did the track when it was at its best. That is fun. So much fun. Oh, actually I think Woohoo! Man, this is a wonderful bike. I am so happy with my purchase. Such a wonderful bike.